Hello guys, and welcome to your English lesson to take away. I am teacher Sophie and I'll be your English teacher today. Maybe it's the first time we meet, maybe it's not. But in any case, I'm happy and it's really nice to meet you. Today's topic is about a country. It's a country in Northern America. It starts with the letter C. Do you have an idea? Is it Croatia? No, Croatia is in Europe. It's Canada. Canada is a huge country. It means it's a very, very big country. It is so big that it goes from the west coast to the east coast of Northern America. Amazing, isn't it? Here in Canada, there are two official languages. The first one is English and the second one is French. Why am I talking about Canada? Well, because I'm planning on traveling there. But it's January right now. It means that it's really, really cold in Canada right now. It's snowy. And sometimes it even goes down to -40 degrees. Can you help me packing? That would be great. I just checked the weather. In Montreal next week, it will be -25 degrees. That looks very, very cold. It will be snowy, but it will be also sunny. I am so lucky. I will be able to enjoy the snow. Maybe I will make a snow fight. That could be fun. So let's see what I should pack. First, I'm gonna think about what to put on my head. Should I take a cap? Or should I take a woolen hat? What do you think? Yes, you're right. Even though it's sunny, I should probably get the woolen hat. Now let's see for the top. Which top do you think I should wear? Do you think I should take this jumper or this singlet? You're right. I should take this jumper. It will keep me warm. What kind of shoes should I take with me? Do you think I should take these sandals? Or maybe these boots? Yes, you're right. I should definitely take these boots. This way, my feet will stay warm. Thank you so much for helping me packing. Thanks to you, I'm sure I have everything I need to keep warm in Canada during winter time. If you want to know more about the winter in Canada topic, then please click on the links below. You will find a movie suggestion, a book you can listen to, a song you can learn, and some activities you can do at home with your family or friends. I just have one last thing to tell you, and that's have a good one and see you soon.